Have you ever seen a two-headed turtle? Well, now you have. This rare condition, known as bicephaly, occurs when an embryo partially splits during development, resulting in two heads sharing one body. While each head functions independently, they must coordinate to move, eat, and survive. Each head has its own brain, meaning they might not always agree on direction or action, which can make survival in the wild challenging. Interestingly, both heads can eat, but they may not always eat the same food. In some cases, one head may be more dominant, controlling more of the body's movements. Despite their unique condition, two-headed turtles can live for years, especially when cared for in captivity. This fascinating mutation highlights the unexpected wonders of nature